So I stopped by Wendy's. I wasn't sure what I wanted, so I just got everything. The Raven's back. The Raven. You see him? He's trying to stalk my area. Whoa! Birdman, where's Lil Wayne at? Where's Lil Wayne? Birdman. Put some respect on my... Yo, I was saying, like, if we go chilling and shit, we go hit the beach or something. I don't know what you guys are looking to do, but I got that black on black Raven and shit. You down with it? Oh, there's Lil Wayne. I was looking for him. Yo, Wayne. Why is he always leaving, man? He's always on tour or some shit. Bro, I didn't want to eat and shit. I wanted to go to the beach. Can't. How's business?
Booming.
I like that. I like that.
I know you like that.
My fade looks pretty dope, man. Tired as fuck. Playing. Kind of digging this whole galaxy thing going on, especially since I'm tired. It's like perfect. Peace out, snappers. I'm going to bed.